Vikas, I've heard about rebalancing a portfolio. Is it really necessary?
Absolutely, Sapna. Rebalancing is essential to ensure your investments stay aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance.
What exactly does it mean to rebalance?
It's the process of adjusting the proportions of different assets classes in your portfolio. For example, if one investment grows faster than others, it might dominate your portfolio and increase your risk. Rebalancing brings it back in line.
Oh, so it's like maintaining a balance to avoid too much risk in one area.
Exactly. It helps you stay diversified and prevents any one asset from taking over your portfolio.
How often should I rebalance?
It depends on your strategy and based on your goals. It's like a health checkup for your investments, keeping everything in optimal condition.
Got it. I'll make sure to include rebalancing in my investment routine.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.